Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Gursimran Kaur, your maths teacher. Please like, subscribe and share my channel if you find this video useful. In this video, we will learn to do 9.3 representation root on the number line. Root 9.3 on the number line. Steps of constructions are given. Now, we will read the steps one by one and draw it simultaneously. First step is draw a line of length 9.3 units such that AB is equal to 9.3 unit. Whatever length will be given in the root, you will take that length and draw a line. Now, with ruler, take a ruler, right? Now, draw a line of 9.3 9, 1, 2 and 3. 9.3 and mark it as A, B, right? This is 9.3 units. AB is equal to 9.3 units. Now, next step is extend AB to C such that BC is equal to 1 unit. I have to extend AB by 1 unit only. Take the ruler and by 1 unit only I have extended and mark it as C. This is 1 unit. BC is equal to 1 unit. Now the whole line AC is of 10.3 units. Right? Now, third step, AC has become 10.3 units. Let the center of AC be O by drawing bisector of line AC. I need to draw the bisector so that I can mark the center of line AC. How we draw bisector? Take the compass and open it more than half of the line. I have opened it more than half of the line. Now draw an arc above the line and below the line. Similarly, take the compass at A and cut that line by arc above and below. Now I have drawn the bisector. Join the line. By joining the line, I will get the midpoint O. I have marked it as O. Now AO is equal to OC is equal to 10.3 half. Right? I have got the midpoint of line AC. Now the next step is draw a semicircle of radius OC with center O. I need to draw a semicircle with radius OC and center O. I need to open the compass and take the radius as OC. This OC. Right? Now take it and draw a semicircle. Right? I have drawn a semicircle. Now next step is draw BD perpendicular to AC intersecting the semicircle at D. Join BD. BD perpendicular means at B I need to draw a perpendicular which will join this semicircle. This can be drawn with protractor simply. Take it at the center B. Now at 90 degree mark the dot. Now I need to join it with semicircle. So with this I will draw the line up to the semicircle only and mark it as D. This is 90 degree angle OBC is equal to 90 degree, right? Now this line BD, we will get the root 9.3 units. I will prove it later on how this line BD is root 9.3 units, but this is root 9.3 units. Now the next step, this root 9.3 units is not on the number line. So to make it on number line, taking BD as radius, BD as radius and B as center, draw an arc which touch the line segment in at a distance root 9.3 from B. Extend the line to some units. I have extended the line roughly. Now take the radius BD, right? Now taking the radius BD and center at B, I will draw an arc which will touch the line segment, right? Now this is BE is 9.3 units under root on the number line which was required, right? Now how this BD is root 9.3 units, to understand this we need to do a proof. Let us start with the proof. Angle OBD is equal to 90 degree. Yes, right. OBD is 90 degree. Then AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC is equal to OD, because these all are the radius of this semicircle. This semicircle AO, OC and OD all are the radius of this circle, and we have shown that the radius is what? Half of 10.3. So taking the radius, half of 10.3 by 2 is equal to 5.15 units. I have got OC, right? OC is 5.15 units. Now OB is equal to OC minus BC. OC whole line minus BC is OB. OC is 5.15 because this is the radius of this semicircle, minus BC. BC we have taken it 1 unit. So I have got 4.15 unit. Now applying the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle to prove this, that BD is root 9.3 units. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse here is OD. OD square is equal to BD square perpendicular plus OB square base. Now hypotenuse, I know it is the radius OD square from above, 5.15 whole square is equal to BD I need to find, and OB I have already found above that it is 4.15 square. Now taking on the same side, BD square is equal to 5.15 whole square minus 4.15 whole square. This has become a formula. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So A square minus B square can be written as A plus B and A minus B. So solving, adding 5.15 plus 4.15, it is 9.30, and subtracting 5.15 minus 4.15, it is 1. Multiplying these, I have got 9.3. BD square is equal to 9.3. So removing the square, I got plus minus root 9.3. since BD is a length. BD was a length, height, whatever, so it will always be positive. BD is equal to root 9.3 units. That was the reason I have marked BD as root 9.3 units, and taking the arc here BE, I have got root 9.3 units on the number line which was required. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Thank you viewers for watching this video.